Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your Stripe invoices and customer data, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Stripe invoices and customer data, log into your Stripe account. Navigate to the dashboard by selecting the appropriate option from the menu. Once on your dashboard, locate the billing section on the left-hand side. Click on Invoices to access your invoice data. In the Invoices section, you'll see a list of all your invoices. To download a specific invoice, click on the invoice you wish to back up. In the Invoice Detail view, look for the More option at the top right corner. Select Download PDF from the drop-down menu to save the invoice to your device. Repeat this process for each invoice you want to back up. For a bulk download, return to the main invoices page. Use the filters to select invoices by date range or status if needed. Once your selection is made, look for the Export option. Choose to export invoices in CSV format for easier data management. Confirm the export, and a file will be generated for download. Next, to back up customer data, navigate back to the dashboard. Locate the Customers section on the left-hand menu and click on it. You will see a list of all your customers here. To download customer data, select the Export option at the top of the customer list. Choose the format for your export, typically CSV is recommended. Confirm the export, and your customer data will be packaged for download. Ensure you store all downloaded files in a secure location. Consider using cloud storage for easy access and extra security. Regularly schedule backups to ensure your Stripe data is up to date. Remember to protect sensitive information according to data privacy regulations. By following these steps, you will have successfully backed up your Stripe invoices and customer data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.